arbitrationagreements.org. On the surface, disputes and disagreements can appear as roadblocks to progress. They can be complex, time-consuming, and frustrating. Yet the method we choose to resolve these disputes can fundamentally change their nature and outcomes. This is where online arbitration comes in. Before we get started, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial legal topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Arbitration is a form of alternative dispute resolution. Instead of resorting to courts and the public justice system, parties in conflict opt for a private third-party authority known as an arbitrator. It's an efficient process wherein both sides agree to be legally bound by the decision of the arbitrator. Arbitration has several advantages. It's quicker, as arbitration hearings are generally scheduled more quickly than court proceedings. It's also more confidential, as the details of the dispute and resolution aren't made public, preserving the reputations of the parties involved. Lastly, it's cost-effective, often saving parties a significant amount of money when compared to traditional legal processes. In fact, according to a 2022 report, the median duration of an arbitration case was just about 8 months from filing to award, as opposed to years in traditional court litigation. Furthermore, a separate study found that approximately 4 out of 5 of arbitrations resulted in settlements, showcasing its effectiveness in dispute resolution. With the advancement of technology, a new form of this alternative dispute resolution has emerged: online arbitration. This type of arbitration is done entirely over the internet, making it even more accessible and efficient. Online arbitration allows parties to present their cases, engage with the arbitrator, and resolve disputes without geographical limitations or the need for physical presence. If you're looking for an effective, efficient, and tech-friendly way to resolve disputes, look no further. Our association provides comprehensive online arbitration services to help you navigate the complexities of dispute resolution. We have experienced arbitrators and a user-friendly platform that can guide you through every step of the process. No matter where you are or the nature of your dispute, we are here to help. So why let disputes become roadblocks when they can be stepping stones to resolution and mutual understanding? Please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. It should come as no surprise that successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about online arbitration? Does it sound like a winning alternative to your litigation? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.